Hello students! Today I will be showing you how to use and how to access my WebQuest. First, you will move your mouse to Google Chrome and click twice to open. Now that you have opened Google Chrome, we will begin typing in the WebQuest URL. Type the following into the search bar: https:// If you do not know how to enter a colon, you hold the Shift key and the key next to the letter L at the same time. // If you do not know what a slash is, the slash key is next to the dot key on your keyboard. sigocom.google.com/webquest-. If you do not know what the dash key is, the dash key is located next to the 0 key. ON-POLLUTION/HOME, and now you will press enter on your keyboard. Now that you have made it to my WebQuest, I will show you how to navigate through the introduction, the task, resources, process, evaluation, and finally the conclusion. Let's go ahead and start by clicking on the introduction. The introduction will give you a summary of what this WebQuest will be teaching you. After you have read through the introduction, you may now move on to the task. Click on Task. Here you will learn about the problem that you will be asked to come up with a solution for. After you have read through the task and understand the problem you will be solving for, you may move on to Resources. Click on Resources. In the Resources tab, you will find the information and facts that will help you solve the problem. The first link will take you to the online game called the Ocean Cleanup. The second link will take you to the online educational video called How Plastic Hurts the World. After playing the game and watching the video, you should be able to come up with a solution to the problem of ocean pollution. The next step is the process. Click on Process. The process consists of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 steps that you will follow in order to reach your solution. As you write the letter, which is step number 4, think carefully of what you have learned and keep in mind your solution to the problem. For step number 5 and 6, be as creative as possible when drawing the picture of a marine animal and the plastic item that you think could cause harm to them. Now it is time to move on to evaluation. Click on Evaluation. The evaluation tells you how you will be graded on this assignment. Lastly, let's click on the conclusion. This is the final step of my WebQuest. Once you have reached the conclusion, you will now begin your plastic pledge. Choose one single-use plastic item that you will promise to not use anymore. This WebQuest was created to help you think critically about the problem of plastic pollution in our oceans. After the completion of my WebQuest, you should be thinking about how you may contribute to the problem. Can you think of any single-use plastic items that you use in your life? Now, can you think of ways to use less plastic? How about using a metal water bottle instead of a plastic one? How about using a reusable shopping bag instead of a plastic bag? You could also use a metal straw instead of a plastic straw. Do you recycle plastic items in your home? If not, you can tell your parents that you want to start today. I hope this WebQuest inspired you to come up with your own personal solution as to how you can help reduce plastic pollution in our oceans. And finally, I hope you keep our plastic pledge and share it with others. Thank you.